Samsung is finally back and we got our first official look from Samsung of Samsung's upcoming Samsung Galaxy Trifold smartphone. Now Samsung Trifold smartphone is a long anticipated smartphone and we've been hearing for a couple of years that Samsung is working on a Trifold smartphone which is going to have 3 foldable screens instead of 2 like we see in Samsung Z Fold smartphones. But this year in June, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 event, Samsung promised that they are going to release a Trifold smartphone by the end of this year, and finally today we got our first official look from Samsung of their upcoming smartphone. Now Samsung is the first foldable smartphone company who is working on a trifold smartphone. Earlier this year, we saw Huawei Mate X3 which also has 3 foldable screens. But there is a key design change between Huawei Mate X3 and Samsung Galaxy Trifold smartphone. The way you can fold the Huawei Mate X3 screen is that when you fold it up, the inner foldable screen becomes the outer screen, which means that it is more prone to scratch if you put it in your pocket or put it on your desk. But Samsung has gone to a different way and they have chosen the G Fold screen design, which means that when you fold the screen of the Samsung Trifold smartphone, the foldable screen will always stay inside and the outer screen will have a glass screen just like Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And now if we look at the pictures of the Samsung Trifold smartphone, we can see that it's very slim even as compared to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which was quite slimmer as compared to Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now it's very important for a trifold to have a slimmer body language because when it's thick, then it's very hard to use it in your hand when it's folded. And that's what Samsung has done. They have tried to make it as thin as possible. And there is also quite possibility that Samsung is using carbon silicon battery in the Samsung Galaxy Trifold smartphone because when it's so thin, it's hard to put a normal battery, which also provides great battery timing in a foldable smartphone. And that's exactly what we saw in Huawei Mate X3. They have used the silicon carbon battery, which is not bad as compared to normal smartphone. We are also hearing that Samsung is going to use triple camera arrangement on the back of the Samsung Trifold smartphone, which is going to have the same camera setup as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is not exactly same as we get in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but still it's much better as compared to normal based smartphones. Now as for now, Samsung has just officially unveiled the first look of the Samsung Galaxy Trifold smartphone, but we still don't know when Samsung is going to officially release or what will be the price of that smartphone, but we're expecting that it will cost around $2,500 to $3,000. To get more latest updates about the smartphone, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.